Hi. In this video, I will teach you how to make an interactive quiz in Microsoft PowerPoint. Step 1. Run the Microsoft PowerPoint and create a new presentation. Step 2. Create your own title slide. You can use the default designs, or you can also make your own by inserting shapes, images, and texts. Create Start button. Step 3. Create your own question slide. Press the Ctrl key and letter M to create a new blank slide. Customize the slide by inserting shapes, text boxes, or images. Write your first question. Next, write and customize the choices. Duplicate the choices by dragging the shape while holding the Ctrl button. Step 4. Create the notification slides for correct and wrong answers. Let's start with the slide for the correct answer notification. You can insert clip art or create your own using the combination of shapes. Create the next question button. Now, let's do the slide for the wrong answer notification. Duplicate the last slide. Click the slide, press the right-click button, and choose Duplicate. Modify the duplicated slide by changing the texts, colors, and clip arts. Create the back or retry button. Step 5. Create a slide for the second question. Create the slide for your second question by duplicating the first question slide. Drag the duplicated slide and place it at the bottom. Edit your second question. Step 6. Insert hyperlinks to each button. Let's start with the first slide. To insert a hyperlink, select the button, right-click, and choose Hyperlink. On the small window, click Place in this document, and select the slide for your first question. The hyperlink makes the button clickable. This is the key to make this presentation interactive. Let's do the same on the next slide. First, choose the letter or the button for the correct answer. Let's use letter C for example. Click the button, right-click, and insert a hyperlink. On a small window, click Places in this document, and select the slide for the correct answer notification. The remaining 3 buttons will be the wrong answers. Let's now insert hyperlinks to each button. This time, choose the slide for the wrong answer notification. Do the same to the remaining buttons. Now, let's move to the slide for the correct notification. Insert hyperlink to the next question button. On a small window, choose the slide for your second question. This button will work as proceed or continue button. Now, let's move to the slide for the wrong answer notification. Insert hyperlink to the retry button. You can choose your title slide or the first question slide. It depends on you. Do the same steps as we did on the first question slide to the second question slide. Now, go to Transitions. Under the Advanced slide, uncheck the On Mouse click and click Apply to All. Step 7. Play the slideshow. To play the slideshow, go to the Slideshow tab, and click from Beginning, or press the F5 button. As you can see, the buttons are now clickable. If you want to add more questions, just duplicate the question and notification slides. I hope you understand the concepts. Tutorial done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.